This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Discord to Patreon. First, ensure you have both the Patreon and Discord mobile apps installed on your device. It's important to note that while you'll use your mobile device, the actual connection process for Patreon happens through your mobile web browser, not the Patreon app. This integration allows creators to offer exclusive Discord benefits to their patrons, enhancing community engagement. To begin, open your preferred mobile browser, like Chrome or Safari, and go to patreon.com. Log into your Patreon account. Once logged in, tap the three-line or hamburger menu icon, usually in the top corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Within the settings, you'll need to find and tap on Connected Apps. This is where you'll manage third-party integrations. After selecting Connected Apps, locate Discord and tap the Connect button next to it. This action will redirect you to Discord's authorization page. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your Discord email or phone number and password. Carefully review the permissions that Patreon requests to manage server roles. Once satisfied, tap the Authorize button to finalize the connection between your Patreon and Discord accounts. Once authorized, your Discord account is successfully linked to Patreon. Patrons should automatically receive their designated roles and access to exclusive servers. If you encounter issues, like a missing Discord login pop-up, try disabling any ad blockers in your browser. For persistent problems, disconnect and reconnect your accounts or contact your creator or Patreon support. And for a fresh car, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your integrated community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.